Okay, fine. I've removed this. There's this part that's connecting over here and over there. So I just decided to break it. And this one is for the cigarette lighter. Yeah, this cigarette lighter is broken. This one, it doesn't wanna work. But that's a problem for another day. So I'm just going to try and put the radio back in and see if it works. I'm just going to put this cover first. See if it works. See? Just look at it. It's like that. Put your radio in there. Oh gosh. Oh. Damn. Okay, right now it's a moment of truth. It's a moment of truth right now. Do like this. I want it to be dark in here so that you cannot see what I was working on. Dark. Try to make it. What the fuck, no? Make it dark. Okay. Just do this. Okay. I'm going to do this. Okay, I have a Wi-Fi line. I just want to see. Okay, it's connecting on Wi-Fi right now. Connecta Wi-Fi emontweni wethu. Into zamanje. Ubona umama mangabe ethi mina umfana wami uhlakaniphile mina. Maybe ekhuluma nabanye abomama. Usuke eshinte kanje intombi ezulu. Usuke eshinte kanje na. Ngathi ingane yami mina ihlakaniphile. Usuke eshinte kanje. Into iyaskena na. Suke eshinte kanje. Mama mayithi ingane yami ihlakaniphile. Awuthi ngiyipause le video. Ngishaya ipassword yami Wi-Fi then sibone ukuthi ke niyangena na ku Spotify.